And like I say, this tub has been coated. I think this will be the 11th or 12th coat of epoxy we put on it. So I personally didn't give a shit.
Did you hear that?
About the drain one time, and I just said fill it in. So yes, you see no drain, because I finally got tired of every single time I did this, masking it off. So I try to make sure that all my caulking and silicone and stuff like that is completely off my tub. If you notice, I'm gonna just move somewhat slowly here, and I'm gonna try, instead of being quick, I'm gonna try to be accurate. If you notice, I'm working my back wall slowly towards myself. Everything from the furthest and hardest to reach all the way till I get the closest to me. And I'm not gonna fight with any drips or anything, because those will all take care of themselves as this sets and settles. It'll actually pull together really nicely. Bondo the cracks, fill them with the epoxy after you fix them, and if patched properly, it would hold up very well. That's generally what the tub coating guys that use this, they're going into houses with really damaged tubs or really outdated tubs, but almost always they have chips or scratches or dings that they have to fill in. And I usually fill that with a little bit of Bondo and sand that in. And as soon as you get the contour and basically the profile you want, the rest is all just decorative. And this is very thick compared to any tub coating, and it's very flexible. That's where a lot of the strength comes from. Because of the way we mixed, and we're mixing in a room that's about 75 degrees, I have about 30-40 minutes of it being in that pot, which is very good before you want to get it out. So it's very temperature dependent, and there's instructions that teach you exactly how to do that on the side of the bucket. Don't ever stress, just slow down, be accurate, look at the instructions. If you have any other issues before you do it, call the girls here at the office. They'll walk you through everything. The big tub company we worked with that does a lot of this, and they spray tubs and everything, they couldn't believe that even though it applies slightly slower, they said they can do 2 or 3 tubs in a day versus 1, because the overall speed, due to not having to mask off the entire room for an HVLP, they end up way quicker and they can get on more jobs in a day by using a way better product. Now that you have good coverage, this is going to slowly try to shape whatever exact shape it actually covered. So if you had a rough tub, it would show a rough tub underneath. If you smoothed your tub out and fixed damage, it would profile that exactly.